Right, we got another Yale PM560 BS 2007 lock. This is obviously the Deadbolt because it hasn't got a sash handle. Anti-pick. I'll work out which one you anti-pick first. See if I can jump out. I'll do that one. Right, anti-pick again. Thought I had it that time. Woohoo! Right, that's the first time I've picked that. Lovely, jubbly. You want to see the levers? It's quite a nasty lever pack in there. If you look at the key, it's very kind of high low, high low, high low, which I find is the hardest you know, combination. It's much easier if you've got like high high, low low low, or something like that, you know. When you've got high, low, high, low, high, it's easy to overset ones, isn't it? Oops. Just through that screw somewhere. Right, yeah, so high, definitely high. Where are we? There you go. High, anti-pick at the top. And low. Yeah, high number 2. Low. So it's like 262. It's a very low lift. And 2 pretty high lifts. Number 2 will be the second highest lift, won't it? Number 1 will be the highest. So that's why I was going into anti-pick at the end. Oh, very good. Yes, 25262. So it's all 2s. Very good.